All right. What's going on, everybody on YouTube who watches these app tests? I'm not sure who you are either. So like, who would watch this? But these are really, really amazing, a really transparent process of what we're doing to build the Justice for Hire app, which is a cinematic universe, and to test it with the community. We have our CTO. I'm Jan from Real World, CEO of Real World and producer of Justice for Hire and cast member. Then we have Andra, our CTO of Real World, also a Justice for Hire cast member, and she's coding the app with these fingers and the mind. And we have Sensei Klaus, aka Mike, and we have Z, aka Guru Merkaba, and wonderful Justice for Hire community members that stepped up to help us make things happen and change the way movies and shows are made. So if you don't know, Justice for Hire is a show that you can become part of the cast right now at justiceforhire.app. And we are doing this every day, literally every day. So you're always welcome to join. And with that, Andra can take it away. And what's going on, Guru? Thank you for joining us.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here. We're back from a small vacation. So we're back to justforheroes.app during these test sessions. All the sessions are recorded and on YouTube.
With the t-shirt. Look at her t-shirt.
Yes, it's in character. I am in character today and mostly all the time. That's why you see me so serious all the time, because I'm like always in character. And Andra developing the app in real life. It's surreal. It's surreal, out of character and in character, but it's super cool. So I'm excited for a new session. We are
Just to throw this out there, those t-shirts, if they're not live right now on the justiceforhire.com website, they will be soon, and they'll also be available in the app. So merch is coming, and more stuff too. So yes.
Yeah, back to business. Back to business. So as usual, we're testing on justforheroes.app. I ask you kindly all the test data that you're creating during these sessions to prefix it with the test in bracket. And we're going to start. We have a bit of a laundry list, and we're going to start with the new functionality. Jen can speak to this, as we always do, from the what it means in the cinematic universe, and also functionality. So we have the functionality of requesting a development call. I think, Guru, you already benefited from that call. Lifeline and other heroes are in the pipeline. So
Guru, we benefited from you on that call. Thank you, sir.
No, I benefited from you.
Yes. Now we have this as a functionality in the app. So we're gonna go ahead and test, see how it behaves, see how if we can improve it, if it's good to go. It's already live, but I always want to make sure that we, the test team, test it together as well. So let's start with that. Create a new account, go on the world page. You're gonna see a new requested development call, and check out the behavior, and then I'm gonna check in 5 minutes or so. If you have any questions, you know the drill. Thank you.
So I want to know the email I'm using is toomuch@toosoon.com. Thank you for the acknowledgement.
I'm always mesmerized by the creativity of Jen and our team all together. It's like, it's amazing. So all the character names, and we have a new character, Beat 'em Up 34, super awesome profile picture. So it's great to see all the creativity at work. So that's why we need this app. Okay, let me know after you create the account. And again, this functionality should be available for clients as well.
Absolutely.
For everyone. So if
Yeah.
we have
We'll
3
make it the right
people,
place.
I'll make a client account and I'll test it out.
yeah, make a client account, hero, Jen, and villain, Sensei, or however you want, just to see.
I'm villain. I'm test hapless villain.
Okay, so if he's doing villain, I'll do hero.
Okay. And I'm gonna monitor what's happening.
I also have very little. I have very, very little memory on my phone, which is fantastic. So there'll be many folks living like this, living this out of memory lifestyle.
Yeah, so we're gonna hear a lot of
So something was happening.
yeah, you're supposed to.
Oh, so I don't get any notification.
You as the user?
I mean, as a user, I'm tapping it several times and I'm not getting any response, but I keep on getting emails.
That it happened.
That it happened, yeah.
Okay, well, let's see if this is the case. Did you update? Is this the latest version? Did you close all the?
Oh, my phone crashed, so everything is completely clean.
Okay. Because look, tap on this one.
Interesting. Well, yeah, it's working over there. But again, I have little memory. So, I mean, I don't know if that affects it or not.
How?
No, I mean, I have next to no memory. Whatever's
well,
happening right now, I don't know what's going on,
Okay.
but because I emptied the phone yesterday and had a bunch of memory. So I don't know what happened between last night and this morning. Maybe some apps updated.
Hey, question, guys. I'm not sure who Hero September 1 is. I think is that you, Sensei?
Yep.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. That's you?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay, so I've gotten
I
don't know,
I don't know, 10
plus
notifications
notifications
from you.
Hey, have you pressed it a lot?
Pressed it a lot?
I have been pressing it. Yeah, I didn't see a response.
Okay, so
Okay,
you're
so
getting
you're
the same
getting the
issue
same
I'm
issue I'm
getting.
getting.
On Just for Heroes.
Yeah, I'm also not getting any like reaction or response from pushing the request.
Okay.
I did see the response yesterday
Mhm.
on the public face.
Okay. Okay, let's jump to the next one then. I made a note. Can you go? I mean, it's interesting. I would want to see if this happens on the public facing as well. Justice for Hire.app. And
No, it
just
worked totally fine on Justified.
let's log in with our users, current use, our usual users. Yeah.
On
Yes, on
justice
live it's good. On the
on
test,
justice for
it's not
hire
good,
app.
which is good all in all, but yeah.
Well, why would that be? Well, what is the difference between our test environment and our live environment that would cause us to have an assumption that something works and then doesn't work live, or that something doesn't work that's already working live? What is the
I missed
disconnect?
from the deployment on the test environment. I missed the branch of the code, the branch of the code with this.
Okay, I see. Okay.
So I deployed it on the live, but I didn't deploy it on the test.
Okay.
And that's what I forgot from the list. Okay, well, let's see next.
Yeah, it worked live for me
On
too.
the watch page for episode 3, we have
Same, yeah.
we have the prompt for episode 3 in the series. We have a challenge that's a prompt. Jen, if you wanna.
Ooh.
Guys, can you hear me? Can you mute yours? All right, so
Yep.
yeah, we on the watch page as it loads very slowly because I assume of my memory. If you go to episode 3 of the series and then press the universe button and then the prompts.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, how fun. How did that even happen?
That's super awesome.
How are you doing that? Are you on your phone? You're on your phone on Zoom right now? Oh, that's so trippy.
Hey, Anna.
That's really trippy. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's exactly it.
Okay, you found it.
I like the functionality of it automatically full screening. It works really well.
Okay, and it's good. What happens when you stop it? Oh.
I'm muting myself.
Okay. Watch page. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we're looking at the thumbnail, we're looking at the description. Again, we're testing everything.
So mine played for 15 seconds and stuff. But again, never mind.
You can test on my phone if you
Oh
want.
no, I want to test. I want to test for the person who's living this life.
Yeah.
I feel like your phone is like plugged into the super system. Okay. Hey guys,
we're not going to cut together those things.
You're gonna submit, you can complete the challenge.
Yes.
And you can add all the 4 and it's gonna show on your, no?
It's you can do it. You can do it any way you want. You can cut it together yourself. If you were to reach out to us and ask us to cut it for you, that may not never happen. May never happen. If we have helped out with heroes in the past, but things are getting to a place where it's becoming more challenging for us to do that.
It would take forever.
In terms of, so we will change and update that video.
That's why we have the app.
It needs to happen, but yeah.
So you can submit each of those scenes through the app as a shot. So yeah, the video will be updated. Yes, Guru, I can see you.
So I had thought of this. I think I thought of this last week, and I was kind of curious. I mean, in the same way that I'm hoping, TikTok eventually gets better at this, but of being able to cut and edit your videos in app. Like if there was a way
That's why we're raising capital. Seriously,
Okay.
like that's like what we want to do is so different than what's out there right now.
Right.
That we actually need, we need a significant amount of cash. We need a larger team, and we need time.
Right.
Because this is the kind of stuff that it's literally going to take, years for us to build this a perfect system.
It's either
And-
time or resources.
Well, I mean, like
Or
you can have,
combination
we,
of both.
yeah, we can, it is, I mean, no matter what, it's going to take years because like the kind of stuff we're talking about just doesn't exist.
Yeah.
But like there's an MVP version of what we want to do that we will be able to, I'm sure once funded, we will be able to fast track, but still like that, it's going to take time. So yes, but right now what we have is essentially a conduit to a cinematic universe that unites us. And then over time, it'll be more of there'll be a lot more automation involved.
And a few clones of Andra.
Sweet, thanks.
Now, can you still hear me through Jen's? I think
I
it's
can
better
mute.
like this. No, it's better. If you guys can hear me. So now let's go to the hero flow, and we have what are missions presentation video, explainer video. There was an issue with after the video was playing, it was the a white screen. So can you test what's the behavior now after you play that video?
Which video was this?
What are missions?
Oh, thank you.
I took it from the list of texts that you sent me.
Thank you.
I'm having a problem finding the what are missions video.
So on the hero flow,
Hero flow.
you have
Yeah, I think he's logging his clients.
Yeah, I'm on client. That's probably why.
You should still be able to see
Yeah.
this top video, which you press the middle button
yeah.
and then you press hero.
Hero.
and it
Okay.
should be
Yeah,
right
yeah.
at the top.
Thank you. On Android, it's still not allowing me to play it.
Okay.
So what's happening on Android? Is it just
Missions are the backbone of the cinematic universe.
Okay.
oh hey, that's odd. How did
No,
you get there?
not odd. I have big fingers. I pressed
It-
the profile button.
Oh, okay. What happens if you press the actual play square?
No, it doesn't. No,
Huh.
it happens. Okay.
Huh. That's Android, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Sensei, is that happening to you too?
He also has Android, so probably.
What exactly is this problem?
Is the what are missions video playing on Android?
Yeah, it isn't. I've been checking that.
Okay.
So did you just say yes, no? That would just
Yeah.
Yeah, bad feedback. It is not working.
yes. No.
That's why, testers use certain
Okay.
lingo, so you don't get that.
Of course, maybe.
Okay.
So it'd be affirmative, it's not functioning.
Thank you.
Okay, let's do another test with the video on your own profile or on the profile. If you add a video to your task profile, after you play it, can you play it multiple times? Like play it, open full screen, minimize it, play it again.
Since I can't record videos, I'm going to, because my phone,
No.
I'm going to look
Question.
at.
Do you want me to do this on justiceforhire.app on my
Just
Guru
for heroes.
account or just for Heroes?
Just
Okay.
for heroes.
And you want me to use the client app?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a behavior that that is available to clients as well.
Yeah, if you guys can, either of you guys can put a video on your app without not necessarily doing a new account. If you could just add a video, I'd really like to see if I can play it from here because I don't see anybody's video, but I do see this wonderful beat 'em up 24 doggy
Go to my
toast
other
mask
account.
face.
Yes. So that too. How do you eat the dog, not just eat the toast? You know?
I
It's
have no idea.
impressive.
It's brilliant.
So-called heroes think of cleaning the streets in the right way. None of them have the guts to get the job done. So, excitement, it's not vengeance.
Yeah, that's Vengeance. Vengeance is a great video. Got a very Batman-esque. His team is no team. I like that. No team. No friends. Darkness. Clouds.
So I upload a 17-second video. Seems to work okay.
Oh,
So it's not playing. I played it, went full screen, and then it closed, and now I'm getting a blank. It disappeared and it's a pause button, and I can't screenshot it and send it to you. So can you write that down?
Yeah.
For
I already have it, so I'll just
Okay.
reject the fix.
Sorry, Sensei. You discovered something?
No, I was just saying working as intended.
Oh, okay. So the profile is working as intended for you?
Yeah, you know, I uploaded the video, I can scroll through it, stop it, started, make it full screen, whatever.
Okay.
Couldn't break it
Interesting.
or happen yet.
So it works on Android,
But
not on
well,
iPhone.
hold on. But that's for your video, correct?
The one I uploaded, yeah.
Can you check anybody else's video, like especially by going to the cast page, looking at the top creators, and whether it's Vintage, Ragdoll, Juice, Glitter Girl, Bunny, Vengeance, Guru, all of them have video content. So if you could take a look at that and tell me if that works for you.
Yeah, Juice is up here. I'll go with him.
Oh no, this kitty cat is so cute. Good stuff.
Oh, I found that on Reddit earlier.
Oh man, I gotta show this to Jet. So
Okay. So I've come across a couple things. On as a client, I went on to other I went on to Guru's profile and I tried watching some of the videos. The videos will play. They won't full screen though. Alternatively, I have uploaded a profile video to my client page because the only video I can upload is creating a mission as a client. I uploaded a video to my profile, but the screen is completely black and all you pick up is the sound.
When you play it. Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna stop playing around with this virtual background.
What's the sound you created?
It's test client. I know, very creative, right?
No, it's fine.
No, it's great.
But yeah, this is, see, all this blurry.
So that's your video. It's coming up with only audio and no video, no visual.
Correct. So this is the client's profile video.
Interesting.
It's playing.
Yeah, I'm playing it too.
And was this shot natively on your camera just now, or was it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you try uploading a video to just replacing that video and uploading a new one to see if? Thank you. And Andra, the Sensei's video plays every time and closes automatically. I may not close automatically, but definitely.
When you close it, it still shows, and you can play it again.
I'm not sure if I did that. No,
Okay.
thank you.
That's the actual.
Okay,
mission.
so yeah, so if I watch it the whole way through, I'm not sure that's even true. It worked the whole way through every time on Sensei's. And then I pressed it and it played again. I pressed it and it played again. It did not work for Vengeance.
Okay, so Sensei.
And so check this out too. Interesting. No, yeah, it's the same thing.
So when you stop it and you play it again, it does play, but then if you play it all the way through, it doesn't. Good. So now I'm gonna just,
Well, I haven't watched it all the way through yet, right?
yeah, I'm waiting. It should minimize now.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I got it to minimize automatically. It may not be minimizing automatically.
Well, the next big ticket item is the video players on all screens. So thank you for for the feedback on this. Okay. And now do me a favor. Let's do another test with the dev call. Add a profile picture to the account you created. So if you created a new account, just go and edit your profile. Edit your profile and add a picture to the newly created profile. You do that by going into edit profile and change image.
So it did not. Okay, interesting. So it did work on mine, but this is not changing. So it reloaded the whole page. I didn't know, and if I didn't know that it just simply may not work, I might try it again and again.
Mhm.
So
Okay, yeah, can you?
I can't take any screenshots right now.
No, don't. I have it noted down. Just go.
So you already
to
know
the-
that that's happening.
Yeah. Go to the work page
Okay.
and see now if you can schedule your development call.
Yep, I sure can.
Okay. So that's the issue. If you don't have a profile video, you cannot schedule a development call. It's a bug, but it can be a feature.
So that's actually great, though. That's great to say. Like if
It's a case I omitted in the implementation.
yeah, I mean, like it shouldn't be like that. It should
Yeah.
like people should know why things that like we should let people know. Hey, do not schedule a development call unless you've actually shot stuff.
Yeah.
Like, don't reach out saying, "Hey, I'm new here. I just want to know what's going on." Like, oh,
So
we have
should the
tons of things to tell you what's going on. Yeah, but I'm not sure where to start.
so
Tons
should
of
the
things to help
message be
you.
different instead of development call request? Should they receive a message when they press on that saying if they don't have a profile picture saying you can do this after you shoot some content, or you should have some content
We
uploaded?
should discuss this because
Okay.
I think that there is a list, and please note that because there should be a bunch of every user should get a message, or maybe we are like when they message us, there's an automatic response
Yeah.
that says, "Hey, thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you. Make sure that you've done these things." And it could be as simple as that.
Yeah.
That's probably the easiest way out. And I could write you that text right now.
Yes. Okay.
So I just cleared out because I was trying to see if that might be part of it. So I reset the site settings for just for heroes.app, and it won't let me log back in.
With what? With the new user?
Yeah, with the with the user I had just created.
That's interesting.
It says,
the email.
pardon?
Are you logging in with the email?
I'm logging in with the same email I used, and then same password, and it says, "Oops." Hold on. Oops, something went wrong.
Can you request a password change and try to get back in?
Yes, but I don't. I used an email that doesn't exist. That's probably it.
Can you open an incognito and let me
Yep.
check the user?
I'm gonna try and use it on my
Okay.
desktop, see if that changes anything. Oh, heroes. Log in. Oh, it lets me log in on my phone or on my browser. That's weird.
Um.
Let's see.
Okay.
What is new browser?
Okay. What's left on the list for today? It's the rival forum profile.
Ironically, this has become kind of our real world nemesis at this point, huh?
Oh, it works. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, great. So it worked after in incognito?
Not in incognito. I just closed out the browser I was using on my phone and then reopened it, reopened a new tab and then logged in.
Great. Well, I don't know if nemesis or not. We're updating the thinking as we go as well. So definitely this is the last functionality that appears as join the testing. So let's make sure that this becomes widely available on the public app as well. We saw last time that it works on the from the list. So now when we go to someone else's profile, we should be able to go through the same flow. And yes, bro, I see you have
Oh,
your.
You can finish what you were saying. Mine pertains to what we were just working on a minute ago.
Oh, okay. No, ask away.
So like I said, I reset and went back in just to see if my profile video would play. I uploaded a completely new one that I didn't record in the app. It's playing just sound, and then I took a profile picture and added that to it. So now I just have my profile picture staring at me as I have my voice playing in the background.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Oh, it opens on full screen. Great.
Yeah, it opens in full screen. I can go out of full screen. I can go back into full screen.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
So it doesn't, so it doesn't, but it doesn't show the video.
No, you just hear the audio.
Okay, great. Okay, let's get to rivals, and I'm gonna use the test account. And you, Jen, and I mean all of you, I would appreciate everyone's focus on this, as we were so close to it and we saw that it works from the list. Now we have to make sure it works from the view profile. So
Which is this?
rival.
Okay. Before I do that, I just
The
want
handshake.
let me just ask everybody a question. How does this sound? This is the message that you would receive as a user once you request your development call. It says, this will be from us, from Justice F. Hire, the client account, in response to your request. Just say, thanks for reaching out for a development call. To be eligible, make sure you've 1, uploaded a profile video, 2, created in client or completed as a hero or villain at least 1 mission, and 3, you've completed at least 1 challenge in any category. Sound good? All right.
Is not wait.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
Check wait on him too.
Well, yeah, but we can always check that. We shouldn't wait for that
Yeah.
though. That's just we should
Yeah,
fire.
no, my only concern is if you as the users, because I'm already into it so deep, and I mean I can take the 10,000 helicopter view, 10,000 feet helicopter view, but it doesn't feel restrictive. It just feels as part of the coaching on the app. It doesn't feel like, oh, it doesn't put you off. That's my only concern.
Yeah, no, this is.
It's like, oh, cool.
No,
cool.
Well, what we're doing, we're bridging, like we're essentially talking about a meeting.
Yeah.
Like, so I think it's really this
You
to
need
me
to be
is
prepared for
like,
it.
yeah, you like, are you prepared for this meeting?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you not? Well, then you can't. We're not gonna, meet with you.
Having a checklist for the meeting would be good. I mean, obviously we came in with stuff for our characters that we wanted to like work around, and we had thoughts in the previous two development calls that have people have seen. But like I think it would be good for, especially if like things, questionnaires, or like a sheet that they can
Yeah.
kind of like mentally fill out to get ready. And like,
Absolutely.
they don't have to fill in everything, but it's something that gives them a good start.
That's
to
a
like,
great idea. A question. Yeah, I mean, that's something that even
The
from
same
a,
as you have in direction, you know?
yeah, for a director would give an actor a list of questions prior to even
100%.
rehearsal.
100%.
So that's great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So we have 19 more minutes, so let's kill this nemesis. I don't know if that's appropriate, but
Let's lovingly nurture this wonderful
no.
functionality
Oh yes,
of,
yes.
of rivals.
Dissolve the nemesis. Destroy the nemesis.
Hapless villain. Okay. So I'm just trying to rival people.
Rival from their profile.
Okay.
So go, for example, my test account for today is test client Andra 09 blah blah. Yeah, it's test 901-2021. Who's hapless?
That's me. Hapless villain.
Here is September 1st. That's you, Sensei, no?
That's fine.
Okay, I'll go rival you from. I'll go rival you from your profile.
Okay.
Also, can you make sure that you are on your own profile so we can test if oh, he's dogging. Okay, so look, check. This is what we're testing. So we're going rival. Would you like to rival this hero? Okay. Appearing as pending withdraw. And now, come on, it's so slow. And now I can withdraw. But can you go to your profile and see if it appears that you have go from your profile to my profile, the test 0901 2021.
Okay, because I've been on my profile and I saw the red dot show up. I'll go check yours out.
Okay, yeah, go on the red dot, go on your profile. It should say that you have one upper script, which means that you have one request.
Yep.
Open the list. Don't approve from the list. Go to my profile.
I found something. So I go to your profile.
Yes.
You haven't even rivaled me, but it says approve or reject.
That's I have the same thing, but it was supposed to happen in our case.
Okay.
And I don't think you didn't rival me at all. No.
No.
Right. Okay.
You're a client still,
No,
right?
no. I went over to my Guru Merkaba.
Okay, never
account
mind.
Because as a client, I can't do any of that.
Yeah.
New account because I got logged out.
It shows that I have one request.
That's strange. Whereas if I go over to Sensei Klaus, it doesn't say that. It just has the normal rival and ally buttons.
Yes. Okay, noted.
Oh man, it's Tiger the dog. Okay, so I just went on to Sensei's, and I haven't done anything. It's just pending withdrawal, which is the same thing
Yeah.
Guru was saying.
Um,
And then I touch it, I press it, and then it says rival.
oh, because I.
Okay, it changed when I went onto your account again, Andra.
Oh, rival. Can you press on rival?
Now it's asking me if I want to rival this hero.
Okay.
Now it says pending withdrawal again.
Okay. Can you withdraw?
Now it says rival.
Okay.
So hold on. So apparently, are you saying that I withdrew it by
no,
pressing
I
that button?
withdrew it. The issue is that if that hero has any requests, any other requests, it shows as pending as withdraw. It should be one level up.
Yeah, 1 to
with
1.
1 to 1. So I know that. Let's just go 1 to 1. Okay, I'm gonna do one to one. Just go to you. Which one are you?
For me,
Yeah, the latest account.
I am seriously challenging human being. Test. All right, going to client to see if I can rival this client. Oh, no. So excellent face you've made here. Guru's
Thank you.
client profile.
Mm,
I'm a client.
okay.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah, I know. That's the issue.
I'm a client who is looking for some heroes to help him with some problems.
That's amazing. That's fantastic.
You should save that. I mean, all the videos are being saved, but the accounts are deleted. So
Yeah, if you could save that video. That's we have the video? Okay, great.
yeah, all the
that's
videos
fantastic.
are being saved.
That's great. Totally use that as a scene. Guru, stop messing around with the app. That's great.
Okay. While we are here, can you confirm if the watch page has new names for the sections? Collective Journey is Spotlight, and in real life is How To.
Yes, it says how to spotlight in production and series.
Okay. How is the play button centered? Can you?
Let me.
I mean the play icon.
It is not centered, but it's
There's one that isn't centered. Hold on, let me just check.
Why?
the top one is probably the most obviously not centered. I think that one way to even look at it is to just turn your head to the side and
Okay.
notice that the triangle is not in the center
Yeah.
of the circle.
And the other ones are no? Or
No, I don't. I mean, I don't.
Okay.
The bottom one looks centered, but I also feel like that. I mean,
Okay.
is that possible that they're not that each one is in a different position?
Yeah, because it's based on the. But go to the.
I don't believe the bottom one is centered either.
Okay. Can you go to the profile and see if the play is centered on the bottom, on your profile.
I don't have a play button on mine.
Just go to my profile
Okay,
then.
sure.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on, this is weird. I just saw, and now it's loading because I noticed the problem. The app doesn't want me to notice the problem. The profile picture that I have is the profile picture from the account that I just got logged out of by accident. So I have a different account, a totally different name, and it's not, and I just saw it multiple times, and now it's not allowing me to.
So how it behaves, whenever there's not enough memory, it always takes what was cached latest. So if that was saved, until it gets enough bandwidth to get the latest information, it takes what it already has in memory.
Okay,
So that's the explanation for that.
thank you.
I like that my screen was the picture for it.
Yeah. Well, I think this is it for today, because I mean I have everything I need. So Nemesis is almost gone, not entirely. We need to update the episode 3 prompt video. We saw what's the error on the development call request, but it's good that we also updated it to the new specs, to more detailed prerequisites, I would say. Yeah, and then for next week, it's gonna be all the play functionality and the recorder. So brace yourselves, because I'm gonna have an interesting week. And I hope you have a happy Labor Day weekend.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. There's nothing else here that we did everything, Andre?
Yeah, no,
Everything I was scheduled for today.
Perfect.
If there's any other.
So just I guess my question, because I was doing Instagram promo for us, but my question is the challenges that we had in the previous weeks with the rival functionality. We didn't. I don't feel like we did a dive into that today. Would you say that those have been addressed, or can we not even dive into that because there's a layer that we're seeing prior?
No, we can dive into it, but we see that the only remaining issue is the fact that the check. So regardless, if we go just one-to-one, it works in terms of if I send you a rival request, you're gonna see it. But if someone else goes to see my profile, it will show that that they have a pending request, which is not true because they have not been the ones who requested it. Okay. So that's the latest filter that I need to implement. Okay,
because I mean, so what the sense that I'm getting is that I created a new character, and I walk into the door. I look at one person's profile and I see a pending request on it.
Yes, because I already went. Because that character has already a pending request from someone else.
Yes.
Which
so
that's the only issue.
So all the things beyond that's a totally new issue. I'm wondering about all the stuff from the previous weeks. I want to make sure that we dive into that, because do we know, is that stable yet? Those challenges that we had previously.
Yeah, we saw that from the list it works, from the profile it works. Now the only condition that remains to be implemented is if that user has a request from the user who sees the profile, not from any other user.
Okay, so Sensei, you were a client, right?
No.
No, that was Guru. I was
Sorry,
last
Guru,
year.
you were a client. Yes. Okay, so Guru was a client. So Guru, did you have controls over anybody else's relationship?
Hold on.
For example, can you
let me switch over back to.
And I can
back
just,
to-
I got logged out, so I can just create a client right now.
Oh no, it's a quick little switch. Well, from what I saw, it did say pending, but let me see. Hold on. Let me log this back in. And let me just double check that because what was it? Something seriously challenging had a request. No, I can't go in and I can't see pending as a client.
So, may I use your phone?
Sure.
Thank you. Let's see if this. Are you on Andra or are you
Talk to the profile. Yeah, I think so.
okay, I'm just gonna log out. Just gonna do a very like a blitz experience here of trying to crash the app by driving through it at top speed. So let's see. Action. Oh gosh. Test. Oh gosh. My email is goomba@peace.com. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go to okay, so Sensei has no heroes and no villains, no relationships. So test Andra. Do you have any relationships? So does anyone have any relationships? 'Cause I don't think I do. Okay, so no one here has any relationships. So I'm gonna jump into Vintage, who I know has a bunch of.
Whatchamacallit, Guru has an ally or two, I think.
Guru
That's about
has-
it.
Okay, great, awesome.
We're
Yeah.
testing rival. Remember, we're testing the rival.
Okay, so does anyone have any rivals? Guru, let's check and see if you have any rivals. You have 2 allies. So the allies is great because now we don't see any option as a client to remove them.
Yeah, I
Like,
was checking that
really-
earlier too.
Oh, no one's gonna have any rivals because
So this is how it works. If no one has any rivals and you go for the first time, it works, but or requests.
so can
If someone-
somebody rival? Can you guys just rival each other so I can see it? So I can try to see it and try to control it? Because that was
Yeah.
what we were doing last time.
So Andra sent me a request. I'll accept that and we'll be good to go.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. It's the September 1st account.
Cool. All right. So I don't see anything yet. I still see a 0.
Yeah,
Damn.
I hit approve. It gives me the little pop-up that says you have a pending rival request. I'm on her profile. I'll try from mine.
So she sent you a request.
Yes.
You accepted it, but it's still not registering on your side.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try from my account, see if that works. Okay, looks like the request is gone. Not sure how that happened.
Okay. Yeah. So this is exactly what I was talking about. Like that we need to do deep dives on this stuff because this is the problems that we've encountered, challenges in the last few weeks are fairly dynamic. So unless we go and test each one of them again, we're not going to be sure if the problem is solved.
I'm logging in as Guru and I'm going to send you, Sensei, I'm gonna send your test account
Thank you.
a rival. I just rivaled you from the profile. Let me know if it changes anything for you.
All right.
Fortunately, I don't see any the pending is no longer changing the number, which is great.
Okay, I got the superscript and I'm gonna approve that, see where we go.
Don't approve it. Go to the profile of the hero that appears that you have to approve the request from and see how it appears there. We
So
already
yeah.
saw last week's that from the list it works. So
Right. So go on to my profile.
So I see that there's one
yeah.
here. Did you guys already do that?
Yeah, that's Guru.
Okay,
I'll
Guru.
remove it and
right. And I can't control it, which is fantastic.
Awesome. Are you removing the rivalry?
yeah, because I did it from my profile, let's do it from yours or
Okay.
vice versa, whatever works.
Okay. So let me know when you remove it.
Just did, I'm back on my profile, so
All right. I'll go on to your profile and I'm going to rival you again.
yep, then I'll go to yours.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm staying as a client just to test this again.
Sweet. Hero September 1, rival. Okay. So it's pending withdrawal on his account from mine. So that works.
Yep, so I clicked into that.
Still have a 0.
I didn't approve it yet, so now I'm gonna go approve.
And only when you approve it increases the number.
And yeah, oh,
Alright.
never mind, it worked. It
It
took a
worked.
minute to reload, but worked.
Yeah, it says that we are rivals. No.
Okay. So it says your rivals. It hasn't reloaded on my page, which is fine. So let me go back and then go back in. All right, cool. So
And can you see it?
awesome. Yeah, I can see it.
But you cannot control it.
I can't control it, which is great.
Sweet.
Exactly. So let me go into Guru now.
Okay, let me.
Oh, hold on. No, I can control it.
Oh,
I can. So under Gurus, I can now remove your relationship as a client.
Mhm.
oh.
And which is really odd because I just pressed, this is saying on Guru's account, I'll screenshot it for you. This is saying that Guru is rivals with Guru.
Oh,
So,
that's
so that,
weird.
yeah, so that's
Like I can't rival myself. Also, I'm gonna check on Android as a client to see if it shows the same. Give me 1 second. Clicked. Yeah, I have the same thing.
hmm.
It says
Rivals with
Guru is rivaling Guru, and I can remove it.
So I'm writing self-rival on the screenshot, Andra.
It pops up as self-rival. That's so weird.
And I got here from Sensei's.
So you went to you went to his
Sensei
hero
rivals
one.
with you, and you're rivals with yourself, and you only have one rival relationship.
That's silly.
Okay.
This is like everybody gonna rival me. Yeah, and I can't control it on Sensei's account. So it pops up with it doesn't pop up with a remove button when I look on Sensei's test account, but same thing as Jan, when I go to Guru Merkaba's account, it says that Guru is rivaling Guru and I can remove it.
So I'm gonna press remove on yours just to see what happens.
All right, I'm gonna head on over to my Guru account and then see what it shows up on there.
The one-to-one. It's not restricting to the user that's logged in.
Okay, so now you have 0 rivals.
Okay, let me go on my.
And I had to reload the page.
Yep.
Didn't automatically reload.
Yep, it's gone.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Well, it's good that it's test. So
All right. So I mean, like I know it's past 2 o'clock. I honestly don't feel like we've gone through all the things that need to be gone through for arrival. So I think that maybe next week we jump back on that.
And we start with that.
Yeah, there's so many variations that we had challenges with in the previous weeks, and those variations they all take time. So, and we just did one of them. So thank you guys so much for jumping on this, and you know, what brick by brick, doing it brick by brick.
Absolutely.
Oh. Wow, I've never heard that. Did you just come up with that?
Yeah, fresh dad joke for you.
Wow. Wow. Wow, it's a good life.
Right?
If any of you want to jump into coding with me as well, not only in testing, let me know.
Yeah. If only I knew how to code. If only I knew how to code, I would be right there.
That reaction said everything.
Yeah. I don't know how to code.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much as usual.
I'll see you next week. Thanks.
Love you guys.
Bye, y'all.
Take care.